Good morning, children. Today we are going to do the Giving Tree workbook exercise. First, we will read the extract. Text based questions. Read the extract given below and answer the following question. Here, the passage is given. We have to read the passage and we have to answer the questions. Okay, children, shall we start? The boy happily plucked the apples and carried them away. The tree was also happy, but the boy stayed away for a long time, and the tree was sad. One day the boy came back, and the tree shook with joy. Now what happened? The boy happily plucked the apples because it was an apple tree and carried them away. The tree was also happy. The tree was also happy in helping the boy, but the boy stayed away for a long time. And the tree was sad. Why the tree was sad? Because the boy stayed away. One day the boy came back and the tree shook with joy. Now we'll read the question. What did the boy do? The boy plucked the apples and carried away. The boy plucked the apples and carried away. Second, what happened? What happened when the boy came back? When the boy came back, the tree shook with joy. But natural, because the tree was missing the boy. When he was a small when he was a small boy, at that time the boy was playing with the tree. He was swinging on the branches, climbing on the trunk and everything. So the tree was missing the boy. So when the tree saw the boy, the tree shook with joy. See, you can see the answer in the paragraph. It is given, shook with joy. Next, find the word in the extract which means the opposite of sorrow. What is the opposite of sorrow? A, happy. B, stayed. C, joy. D, sad. So what is the correct answer? Joy, joy. Next, the meaning of plucked in the extract is A, pull. B, take out. C, remove. Take hold and remove. Take hold and remove. So what is the A one? It is pull. P-U-L-L, pull. Next, again the paragraph. The young man cut the trunk. The young man cut the trunk of the tree and sailed away in boat. The tree was left only with a stump. The tree was left only with a stump. After a long time, the young man came back again. After a long time, the young man came back again. Now he was an old man, but the tree recognized him. What happened? After a long time, the old man came back again, but he became an old man after a long time. Young man came back, but what he was an old man now. But then to the tree recognized him. Then to the tree, जो वृक्ष था, उसने उस young boy जो old man बन चुका था, उसको पहचान लिया उसने. Tree recognized him, पहचान लिया. Now question, what did the young man do? What did the young man do? The young man cut the trunk of the tree and sailed away in a boat. The young man cut the trunk of the tree and sailed away in the boat. What happened to the tree? The tree was left only with a stump. The tree was left only with a stump. What happened to the young man? Now he was an old man, but the tree recognized him. Now he was an old man, but the tree recognized him. What happened? The tree recognized him. He was an old man, right? But then to the tree recognized him. Next, find out the word from the extract which is synonym of stem. We have to find out the word from the extract which is synonym of stem. So A, tree, B, trunk, C, stump, and D, boat. So what is the answer? It is trunk. We will put a tick on trunk. Next, antonym of recognize is recall. A, B, remember, C, forget, D, miss. So what it is? Recognize ka forget. Next, short answer type questions. How did the boy have fun in the play The Giving Tree? How did the boy fun in the play The Giving Tree? How did he enjoy? So the boy ate the apples, climbed up the trunk, and swung on the branches. What did the boy did? He ate the apples, he climbed up the trunk, and lastly swung on the branches. Next, how did the tree help the boy to earn money? The tree gave all apples to the boy to earn money. How did the tree help? By giving all the apples to earn money. Next, what three things did the tree give to the little boy? Apples, branches, and trunk. What three things did the tree give? First apple, then branches, and then the last trunk. Next, how and why did the boy build the house? How and why did the boy build his house? So answer is, when the tree gave all branches, then the boy built his house. When the tree gave all branches, then the boy built the house. Next, where was the boy going? How did the tree help him? Where was the boy going and how did the tree help him? The boy was going to business trip. The tree gave trunk to make a boat. Where was the boy going? He was going to the business trip. So the tree gave him the trunk to make a boat. The boy was going through the boat. So he wanted a trunk to make a boat so he can go for a business trip. Long type answer questions. It can be said that the author rightly named the tree as the giving tree, which gave away everything it had. How did the tree change by the end of the story? How did the tree change by the end of the story? By the end of the story, the tree was left only with stump. Tree had lost all its branches, its fruits, and its trunk. Now the tree was slowly helping the boy. So one by one the tree was giving everything to the boy, whatever the boy had asked for. First apples, second branches to make a house, and last the trunk to make a boat. So all the things the tree was helping. So here it is said, the question is asking us, okay, with what the tree was left alone. In the last, what did the tree had? So it had only a stump, S-T-U-M-P, stump. Because he had lost all his branches, its fruits and his trunk. Language based questions. Match the subject in column A to the predicate in column B to make meaningful sentences. Column A, column B. Now first one is what? The boy. So in column A, the boy, the tree. In column B, was happy to give its shade, cut the trunk of the tree and carried away, made in a boat. So the matching will see the boy, second the tree. So the tree will go over here, was happy to give his shade, right? Now we'll go to the next page. The young man, the young man. So it is in the young man, it is in the first part over here. Was the young man cut the trunk of the tree and carried away in the boat. Then the old man, so is what climbed the trunk and swung from branches of the tree. The old man is over here fourth, wanted a quiet place to sit and rest, Fifth one is the same, only the old stump, so had lost his apples, branches and trunk, right? So this is your matching. Now we'll do another exercise. Choose the correct conjunction from the option given and fill in the blanks. Conjunction exercise is there. We have to select from the bracket and write in the blank. Once there was a tree dash and but or it loved a little boy. So what is the correct answer? And loved a little boy. Second, the boy grew older and dash but or and went away. So what is the correct answer? The boy grew older and went away. Third, the boy happily plucked the apples and but and or carried them away. So it is and. The boy happily plucked the apples and carried them away. Fourth, the tree was happy but the boy stayed away for a long time. The tree was happy but the boy stayed away for a long time. Fifth, the young man was an old man now, but the tree recognized him. 2 number. Fill in the blanks with the correct preposition. To, in, by, to, with, up, on, from. 1 number. But time went by and the boy grew older and went away. Second, one day the boy came to the tree. Third, the tree asked him to climb up its trunk and swing from its branches. The boy was too big to climb and play. The tree asked him to pluck its apple and sell them in the market. The boy was going on a business trip. He cut off the trunk of the tree and the tree was left only with a stump. Look at the table given below and write the comparative and superlative degree of the adjectives given below. Superlative, comparative degree and positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. First, small. So it will be smaller, small, smaller, smallest. Funny, funny, funnier, funniest. Delicious, so delicious, more delicious, most delicious. Tired, tired, more tired, most tired. And the last, happy, happy, happier, happiest. So children, I hope you have understood this workbook exercise. Complete this exercise in your workbook with neat and clean handwriting. Thank you.